Hello adventurers and preparedness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Ultimate Survival Kit 256 in 1. A comprehensive first aid and survival gear set designed to keep you and your loved ones safe during outdoor adventures, camping trips, and emergency situations. This advanced kit boasts an impressive 256 pieces, including a 15-in-1 hatchet, folding shovel, tactical flashlight, and survival bracelet, ensuring you're equipped for any scenario. The kit also features essential medical supplies like bandages, an emergency blanket, and a CPR mask, making it a reliable companion for both everyday life and wild adventures. Housed in a durable 1000D nylon molle pouch, this kit is lightweight, compact, and easily portable, perfect for attaching to backpacks or stowing in your vehicle. Whether you're a tactical doctor, military personnel, or an outdoor enthusiast, this kit is designed with you in mind, offering peace of mind and preparedness wherever you go. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves the thrill of the outdoors, from campers and hikers to scouts and adventure-seeking kids. So gear up and stay prepared with this all-in-one survival and first aid kit, your essential partner in safety and adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.